Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. This seemed like a pretty fitting video to make today with all the rain we've had. I hope everybody's staying dry. But a call that we get a lot during times of rain like this is people want to call and they want to get their yard regraded or resodded. They're having water issues and they feel like they need to put some dirt over here to move the water around and to fix the problem. When in all actuality, a lot of times all you need to do is you need to install a drain. It can be a simple drain. It can be something as simple as just a little round catch basin that's going to catch some standing water. You might even do bigger catch basins like these 12 by 12s and 18 by 18s, and it's simply just installing some pipe in the ground, right? This is just a 4-inch corrugated pipe, and water wants to take the path of least resistance. So all you're doing is you're basically giving it a conduit and you're giving it a channel to travel through. Even if you don't have a lot of fall, the water's still going to take the path of least resistance. It's going to take that path, it's going to go through this drain pipe, and it's going to go to wherever you exit it. A lot of times you can just hide it. This little green top here sits flush with the ground, and the water just comes out of the top as it fills up. A lot of this, all of this stuff is hidden underground. You don't see it except for these parts that sit flush right here, and it's a far less invasive way of fixing your problem. It's also far cheaper than coming in and having to bring in loads of dirt and fresh sod and regrade the water. The other problem with that is that when you regrade your yard and resod and you move the water around, the water's still got to go somewhere. So you're not fixing the problem so much as you're just moving it from one area to another. So you might create another wet spot somewhere else in your yard, or you might push the water onto your neighbor's yard and create a problem for them. So if you're experiencing a bunch of problems right now with standing water in your yard and something that maybe not even this torrential downpour is needed to cause the problem, maybe it's just a little bit of rain, I'd really encourage you to consider maybe instead of moving dirt around or trying to go really extreme with the problem, maybe just install a cheap drainage system. There's even connections down here. All of these are connections back behind me just for drainage. You can tie your gutters into it. You can put channel drains up against the concrete. There's just so many different options, and a lot of them, like I said, they're far easier and they're less intrusive than trying to regrade and move the water around. So anyway, if you got any questions, you need any help, need any pointers, just feel free to ask. We look forward to hearing from you.